Alright, so when we come to a valley with our bird stock, we'll want to do the following steps. So you're going to want to notch out the bird stock so the valley can sit down nice and tight. So you can see just finding out where that valley is, folding that back. First piece, I'm going to go ahead and fold in my corner to protect my corner, and then fold back on the batten. And you can see how it'll fit in just like so. And we can go ahead and fasten that one. Now the next side is going to be a similar fold. We're just going to cut it straight off so it ties into my inside corner and fold around that batten once again. You can see, get that sitting nice and tight. We'll fasten that as well. And now I can go ahead and just bring in my 6-inch open valley. Fit it in. Make sure I'm overhanging 3/4 of an inch. And you can see that notch out lets that valley sit down nice and tight.